In this video, you will learn how to draw Moon Girl from Marvel's Moon Girl and Devil Dinosaur. And she is super cool, and I'm certain you will be proud of your final drawing. However, if you aren't proud of it, then let me know, and I will forever live in shame for being a bad teacher. So let's begin with the eyes. That is often the best place to start. Make a round circle for her goggles. Then another circle inside of that to make the brim of the goggles. Then some diagonal lines across to make some reflections. Then we do the same for the other eye. And a smaller circle inside with some padding. Make some diagonal lines that mirror the other side. Great, that is the goggles done. Next, let's tackle the head. Starting with her helmet, make a semicircle across the top and come down on the other side. Connect the helmet. Let's move up and do her hair, in this wavy random pattern. Then her helmet has some round air vents at the top. 2 vertical lines down for the helmet design. The other circular air vent. Come down and make her face. The strap along her chin. Then her nose and mouth. Small ear pieces. And there we go. The head is done. Next, let's work on the body, starting with the neck. Then coming down and doing the upper body. Make the arm sleeve. And her right arm in raised position. The elbow pads, the lower arm. And then her huge boxing glove on her right hand. Let's move over to the other side and do her other arm, and the elbow pad, and her arm in a bent position like this. Then let's make her hand in a glove in a fist position. Her belt. Then we are done with the upper body. Next, let's tackle the lower body. Make her very angular shorts. Then come down for the thigh. And a circle for the knee pad, and a circle inside of it. Continue down for the lower leg. Then let's make her roller skates. Make the wheels in a dynamic shape. Then the brake in the middle. Then the other pair of wheels. Good. Let's move up and do the other leg. Same thing here. The thighs, the knee pad. Then her lower leg in this dynamic position. Then we do the roller skate on this side too. The pair of wheels on one side. The brake in the middle. The pair of wheels on the other side. Great. Let's do some final details. She has some laces on the lower leg. Let's do some X's coming down. 3 on each leg. And that is the details done. And also all of the line art finished. Next up, we'll start with the coloring. Let's start with the black parts. Let's fill in her goggles. The air vents. Then her suit on her arms. The other arm. Then we fill in her legs. Meanwhile, let me tell you a joke I heard the other day. What's brown and sticky? The answer? A stick. How about this joke? Why can't you ever trust atoms? I'll let you think about that one a little before I tell you the answer. Anyway, back to the drawing. Next, let's fill the yellow parts, starting with her helmet, the other side, her upper body, and the shorts. Move down and fill in the laces on the legs, and finally the brakes on her roller skates. Next, let's grab this color and start filling in her helmet. A quick side note, if you like these videos and don't want to miss any, then you should consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. It's a good signal to both me and to YouTube that you like what I do. Also, subscribing is free. Also, I would like to take this moment to thank my latest subscribers. Dhanyavad, as they say in India. Anyway, back to the drawing. Let's grab the red marker and start filling the boxing glove. The other glove is red too. Next, let's fill in reflections on the goggles with this hot pink color. Then we can grab the brown marker and start filling in her hair, doing the outline and working our way in. Move down and color her face. So the answer to the joke before, why can't you ever trust atoms? The answer is, because they make up everything. How about this joke? How do you make an octopus laugh? Stay tuned for the answer. Anyway, back to the drawing. Now just fill in the wheels on her roller skates. Some details on her belt. And knee pads. And that is all the coloring done. Next up, we can make it pop a little extra by adding some shading. Let's grab the iPad for that. Start at the top with the hair. Then come down to the helmet, goggles, and face. Next, let's put some shading on the boxing glove. Moving down the body. The other hand. Then some shading on the knee pads. And finally on the roller skates. Next, let's do some highlights to give it the final touches. Give the helmet some edge light, then some on the boxing glove, and then some edge lighting across and down her suit, the knee pads. Then finally the roller skates get some highlights facing the light source. And there we go, our favorite super cool superhero, Moon Girl. And if you want to keep on learning how to draw, check out this video of how to draw Ginny from Super Kitties. She is incredibly cute. Or if you just want the answer to the joke, how do you make an octopus laugh?